Okay, so we are into week 4 with our prefixes now. We are working on some of the I's, L's, and a few M's as well. So we're moving through the alphabet pretty good here. Our first term is hyper, which means above. So hypertension or hyperactive would mean that you have blood pressure that is above normal, or your activity level is above that of a normal average person. Hypo means less than or under. So hypotension is going to be a blood pressure that is lower than the normal or the average. Inter means between or together. And you'll notice that some of these prefixes do have meanings that are very similar to other prefixes that we went over. For example, the prefix co that we talked about in week 2 also meant together. So inter means between or together. Intercellular means that it is between cells. So cells can have conversations intracellular, meaning that they talk between one another. Intracellular, so our prefix intra means within. That is happening within the cell itself. Iso means equal. We talked about isotonic solutions. These are solutions that have equal amounts of solute and solvent. Ist is a prefix, and it means one who studies. So it's kind of crazy that these 3 letters stand for 3 whole words, one who studies. So a biologist is someone who studies biology. Itis means inflammation. So appendicitis means it's an inflammation of your appendix. Also, like arthritis would be an inflammation of your joints. Leuco can be spelled 2 different ways, either with a C or a K. Both are correct. It means white, so it actually stands for a color. So a leukocyte is a white cell. Logy means the study of. So biology is the study of life. Lysis means to destroy. So cytolysis is literally destroying a cell. Macro means large. A macromolecule, which we talked about in chapter 3, is a large molecule. Melon can be spelled also 2 different ways, either with an A at the end or an E at the end. It stands for the color black. So a melanocyte is a black cell. Micro means small. Like a microscope is used to look at small things. Microorganisms are very small organisms. And mono means one. So monosaccharide stands for one carbohydrate. And I believe that is our last term for chapter 4. Alrighty, guys, I will talk to you again next